Hello guys, how you guys doing? It's a beautiful Sunday. It's a little raining, but had a good day. I went for a short bike ride. I wanted to do 40 miles today, but ended up doing only 18. It started raining, but I look forward to pushing it to 40 tomorrow. But anyways, I thought of sending this video out. As I'm in my business for more than 25 plus years, uh, sometimes many people ask, who makes it to the top? What are some of the characteristics and why some people don't? Those questions come because sometimes when you get started, you're looking for that unsaid guarantee that your investment of time and effort is going to be protected and there is a way for you to get to the top. Indirectly, that's what somebody is asking when they are looking for a guarantee. And I used to be like that when I got started. But as I committed to the business, I realized that the only guarantee what we can have is our own dreams and goals and our own work ethic. Those are the only two things. Um, of course, when somebody else makes it in an opportunity, it boosts our spirits, our resolve, because we see that if that person can do it, I can do it, and that is a good thing. But that doesn't necessarily mean that you can do it. The reason is that you don't know what kind of a effort, what kind of a resolve, what kind of a passion that person had to reach to the top. At the same time, when somebody fades away or gives up, it kind of discourages us. We tend to compare that, what, he was so smart, he was doing so well, how come he gave up? So if he gives up, that means that, what, I don't know if I have what it takes to do it. So people sometimes come to a conclusion in both sides of the equation. But over a period of time, what I realized is that those are all okay, but finally it's up to me to make it. And my dreams and my goals are the only guarantee I have, and my work ethic. And are there some rainy days? Of course, there are. Like today is a rainy day, right? There are rainy days in whatever you do, in your entrepreneurship career or in your professional career. There are always going to be challenges. If you are, if you are expecting a very bright road with no issues you are looking in the wrong place. Any opportunity has that. So will this particular business too. Will have a uphill battles, and you got to overcome it. And most of the time, overcoming is always in your mindset, in your mentality, the way you think. And that is something which I realized, that there were some challenging moments, testing times, but I had to stay strong to understand that those are all going to come and eventually pass by too. There is no cloud which is going to hover on the sky on top of you for rest of the life. There will be some dark clouds, but they are going to pass by. Same way, in a business opportunity, there are going to be some dark clouds and eventually they're going to pass by. But don't give up when it almost feels like they're never going to go away. Don't give up those time. That's a time to toughen yourself. That is a time to hunker down and really stay true to your dreams and goals. Now, also sometimes people ask, do people quit at every step? Yes, absolutely. People quitting is a part and parcel of life. People quit their jobs, people quit their education, people quit their marriages, people quit their life. There are so many people who have given up on life and they do suicide and whatnot. So people will quit. Even in our program, you will see people quitting at all different levels. Have people quit when they get started in an opportunity? Yes, they get started and they quit. because their friends or relatives or family or some of their best buddies laugh at them. They just cannot handle that because they're not really built up for that kind of a punishment mentally, and they give up. And that's a bigger chunk. And there are some people who give up somewhere in between. It's you know there are people who have given a profession in their mid 40s. They have put in 10-15 years in the company and then they give up for whatever the reason. I'm not saying company did bad or they did bad, but for whatever the reason, the partnership did not last long. And even in our business, there can be where people give up at platinum level, emerald level, and sometimes even maybe diamond level. That doesn't mean that business is wrong or bad. And we don't know about the people who quit either. Okay, and we are not going to say that they were bad, but for whatever reason, that person gave up. But at the same very moment, there are some people at that same moment who qualified diamond, and they're going to shine, keep shining. So I've seen in my career, people rise to the top, stay at the top, and grow from there and reach bigger heights too. And at every level, there is an effort required, there is a work ethic required. Also, I've seen people reach the top and then they slide back too. And that's also part of entrepreneurship. Look at Nokia. Once upon a time, every person had a Nokia phone in the hand. It was the in thing, but today, not too many people carry that phone. But that doesn't mean that Nokia is a bad company. Why? Because they are still doing good. They are still 20-30 billion dollars, I think, in volume. I don't quote me on that number. I think so. But they may not be in the phone market. So keep that in mind, that there will be people who will sliding back too. But that doesn't mean that you should be sliding back, because you got to understand that you are a force by yourself. Your mental maturity, your mindset, your understanding, your resolve is what makes you and what makes you grow and climb. And we are excited about the opportunity. We are excited about the business. We are moving on, and we are touching a lot of people in a positive way all around the world. So, going to the top is not a cakewalk. It's not that everybody will be able to do it. But can everybody do it? Yeah, there is definitely the same opportunity for somebody to climb up. But it's all up to you. It's not the gym's fault that you didn't lose weight. You got to go to the gym and you got to work out and whatnot. It's the same thing here. It's not Amway's fault that you didn't grow. You got to make it work. It's just a vehicle. You got to make it work. Just like a Rubik's cube, there is a method to solve it. Same way, there's a method to solve every business opportunity. Dealing with people there is a method to do it. Some people are gifted by in a very much in their personalities and their characteristics, but some people have to acquire it all along the way. That's why some people take a longer time, some people take a shorter time. But life is awesome, and we'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye.